Nimbolovanaka o Viawasia, or I want to share a fun culture tidbit about Fiji. When I was living in Fiji for 2 years serving a mission, I remember what many people would call me was Susumandrai. And when I first got there, I didn't know what that meant. It translates to raised on bread. And I served my mission in Suva. So everyone I met would always call me Susumandrai. They're like, you're not as cool as us, we're Susu Tavioka. And I was like, okay, cool. Raised on tapioca or raised on cassava. And I later found out that Susumandrai is a reference to being raised in the city, being a city kid. Because I mean, who wants to be a city kid when you can be a koro kid, a village kid? I mean, you know, they're just so much more legit, they're cooler. But I hold to it. I feel pretty proud about being Susumandrai. I absolutely loved Suva and I loved Nandi and I love the people there. And I could find many friends, many Susumandrai friends with me who weren't as fortunate as others to grow up in the village. But if you ever get the chance to go to Fiji and they start calling you Susumandrai, now you know what they're calling you. They're calling you a city slicker.